Moo Deng, the adorable pygmy hippopotamus, has taken the internet by storm with her chubby cheeks and nasty behavior. Born in a country in the Southeast Asia, Moo Deng quickly became an internet sensation with her viral videos and became an internet memes with her silliness. According to that, the zoo director said visitors have been queued for an hour just to see her. Despite her small size, she has a big personality, often seen exploring her enclosure, splashing in the water, or acting like the nasty child. Her name, Moo Deng, translates to bouncy pig in Thai, perfectly capturing her playful and energetic spirit.